Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Kenny's Tool Review. Today we've got our Black & Decker, I don't know if you call this an angle grinder, but I just call it a grinder. You can put different things on here, obviously. Anyone that's ever had a grinder, I believe this would be a 4-inch grinder. I got a flapper disc on it now. I bought this way back when I was making my diagnostic cart over here at my house. For the cleaning and grinding and all that nonsense. Did have a handle that it came with. Don't know where that is. It's pretty long gone at this point. But I just wanted to review it. Black & Decker, I believe is or was at least a Walmart brand. Now that they have all that other crap, I can't remember the name of it. They probably don't. I don't think I got this from there. I either got it from Home Depot or I got it from Amazon. I can't remember, but it works great. Wait for it to stop. I've used it many times, and it works great. So just because it's a Black & Decker, not some other crap or Hercules or anything, doesn't mean it doesn't work. It's corded, so you know. That's probably the reason why I didn't go with any Hercules stuff. I like to keep the same battery charger for all my stuff, but this doesn't have a battery to charge, so who cares what color it is and what brand it is. If it works, you know. Yeah, there's not too much else to say about it. I have really put this through the test. Anyone knows I talk about beating the crap out of stuff. I beat the crap out of this thing. It took me like 2 years to make this, and I was grinding and cutting and just I had metal dust in my nose every night. I was using it so much. So highly recommend it. I'll try to find a link for you if you can, but I mean, I'm sure some of you guys can figure it out. It was very affordable. I couldn't tell you off the top of my head, but it wasn't more than $100, that's for sure. I think it was a lot less than that, but highly recommend the Black & Decker here. Today still got good stuff coming out. I'm sure it's made out of China. Made in China. And then I just put a Bauer flapper disc on it. Any flapper disc work great, or any other grinding wheel, you know, obviously. That's not a thing to do with Black & Decker, but if you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Tell me I suck. Tell me you like this channel. I got another channel just for Diag that I'll put somewhere over here. And I'd like to thank you for watching and have a great day.